Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol S, just S. That's Sprint Corporation. The chart we're looking at here today is a 2-hour chart. You can also click on this chart representing 2 hours of trading. We go back to right around the start of November, and you can see this thing has been extremely bullish from the start of this great green candle here that set this uptrend into motion. Very nice volume here, and then it's declined. The volume only just came back yesterday, almost doubling the previous highest volume, and then today it was still very high. So the volume's looking great. Now we saw some stagnation right in the middle of this uptrend, where the 50-period moving average did indeed almost cross above our 2 other averages, that being the 10 and the 20, but they converged and then diverged once again in the bullish formation with the 10, the 20, and the 50. I'm sorry, the 10 and the 20 above the 50. So we want to see those fast averages above the slower ones. Obviously, the faster averages being higher above the slower reflect that the overall price is up in comparison to previous points in time. So I have 2 pivot points here, 1, 2, and then 1 up here, so a total of 3. These 2 a bit closer together. Let's take a look at that, and you could arguably say that's also a channel. So from $8.10 to $8.45, that's what we're looking at. $8.45 on top. And what did I say the other one was? $8.10 right below. So these are areas historically where Sprint has had support or resistance or vice versa. You can see here even it got denied twice, testing it, and only breaking through it today. So yesterday was super bullish and had a ton of volume, but we didn't even break through yesterday. Today less volume, but even more bullish since we did break above that. Now the next pivot point that I have on this chart is at the very top, and that's $9.24. But for the sake of keeping everything nice and numerical, let's make it $9.25. So 925 is the next area of hard resistance based on data from, let me take a look at my other chart here. I think that's going way far back if I recall correctly. Yeah, we're looking at all the way back at right around January, February, March, April, right around May 2014. So we're approaching levels that we haven't seen Sprint at in a long time. It was downtrending for a while there, for a few years. But only this year, 2016, has Sprint really made a strong comeback. And if you got in at the lows in 2016, the Fed lows, like a lot of stocks were, dipping in Fed, you could have gotten in around $2.80 to $3. Or you could even gotten in around $2.50 if you got real lucky. And now we're trading at about $9 a share just about. So Sprint has absolutely been killing it in 2016. That would have been a good investment. Who would have known? Some people did. Some people probably bought in there and holding this thing long term. And that would definitely have been a good pickup. You know, you're at almost a 500% gain. You're at about 400% at this point in time, assuming you've held. So congratulations to you guys who made that play. But for us day traders, we're looking at more short-term plays anyway. So there was definitely day trading opportunities the last 2 days to be day trading Sprint. But on a longer-term perspective, I'm looking at this on a swing trading perspective. This thing definitely still has room to go. We just need to see it push above that 925 area right here. So what I'm doing is setting an alert at 925, and then I'll be looking at the level 2, the tape, and seeing how bullish it really is when it comes there. And I'll see if there's a day trading opportunity at the 925 test. But overall, the uptrend is really strong. Will it keep up the momentum, though? That's going to be the hard thing to see. And with stock like Sprint, a large market cap like that, it doesn't tend to make these big moves too consistently. So we might see it get denied at 925. I wouldn't be longing this thing just yet. It's a little overextended at this point, but we'll see how it is at the 925 test. Better opportunity would have been getting in very early in the morning on the dip today or yesterday on the way up, or rather right before close when it dipped as well. Either one would have worked. As far as the RSI is concerned, the RSI is great. You know, we have our increasing oversold points. Very nice increase here. Went oversold there. We were oversold here previously. So pretty nice angle there, indicating higher buying momentum. The next area we go oversold. If we sell off hard, and that's, you know, hypothetically, I don't even think that's really going to happen. I don't think we're going to sell off too hard. If we do sell off hard, though, we'll probably find support right at that 845 area. We'll probably go oversold there, which means that this oversold area would indeed also be much higher than this oversold area. So we'll see how that goes down. That's my predictions, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and please stay tuned for more content like this, and I'll see you then.